friends, welcome back. I'm George Pierce. Thanks for watching. This video is about my weekly giveaway. Each week I give away an internet marketing gift, and it's a gift. There's no strings attached. There's no email required. It's 100% free, and I'm quite pleased with this week's giveaway. The giveaway is an ebook, and it is How to Succeed in Affiliate Marketing. As you may know, I hand-pick my giveaways, and I'm quite pleased with the value that you're going to find in this giveaway. Just about every area of affiliate marketing is covered. It covers both digital products, it covers physical products, multiple products. It also is a new ebook. So there's some other advantages that I'm going to get to in just a moment, and it comes with a lot of goodies, which I'm going to share with you. Before we get to it, I do want to share with you a little idiosyncrasy about affiliate marketing, or at least based on my experience. It seems as though affiliate marketing happens, or success in affiliate marketing happens, once you figure out what it is that you don't know. So to tie in with this, allow me to share a few riddles with you that you might not know. So my question is, when do you go in through one hole and come out through two holes at the same time? And the answer is when you're putting on your pants. Bobby kicked a soccer ball. He kicked a soccer ball 60 feet. He's a strong boy. And the ball came right back to him, but the ball was never touched by any person or any object. How is this possible? Bobby kicked it straight up in the air. Anthony is a second grader, and today he discovers in class that Friday comes before Thursday. So when he goes home, he shares this with his mom. Well, Mom knows that Thursday comes before Friday, or she didn't tell him that. She just asked him why he would say that. Guess what? She found out that he was right. In the dictionary, Friday comes before Thursday. I do want to share something else with you, and I apologize if this sounds like I'm bragging, but I happen to know the score of every baseball game before it begins, and I'm always right. How is this possible? Score is always 0-0 before it begins. Okay, to get back to my giveaway, How to Succeed in Affiliate Marketing. As I had mentioned, it is new. Therefore, it's also going to be of help to you as far as the latest tools, and the information that you're going to be getting is current, is up to date, it's in step. The ebook includes, it's not just the ebook, it also includes e-covers, it includes a squeeze page, it includes a disclaimer page, it includes a privacy policy page, it includes a support page, a terms and condition page, and resale rights. And what resale rights mean to you, why they're so important, is that this allows you to not only use it for your own personal use, it allows you to use it as an incentive, as a giveaway like I'm doing. Of course, in most cases you'd be using it to build your list. You can even resell it and keep the money. And the URL to the giveaway is https://Cutley, CUTT.ly/yes-success. That's https://Cutley, CUTT.ly/yes-success. If you like this video, and I certainly hope you do, if you find some value in it, give it a big thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. Do that right now. Hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, for goodness sake, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on these videos. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Allow me to wish you much success.